Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Kindly subscribe and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any of my videos. In today's video, I share with you how to do a glow up. No bleach. Bleaching creams are very harmful and they contain mercury, which is very dangerous for the skin. So in this video, I share with you how you can even out your skin tone naturally without bleaching. Most ladies bleach their skin because they have dark knuckles and elbows, and they want to have an even skin tone. To even out your skin tone, you need to focus on brightening the skin and not lightening the skin. Most of these products that you find in the market that promise to lighten your skin, they work by removing the melanin from the skin, and melanin is the pigment that gives your skin its color. So when you remove it, you now have a lighter skin. But the problem is that it also removes the melanin that protects your skin from the sun. So when you are removing the melanin that protects your skin from the sun, you are exposing your skin to sun damage. And this is very dangerous because it causes skin cancer. So if you want to do a glow up, try natural products that will help to brighten your skin and even out your skin tone. One of the best ways to brighten your skin is by eating foods that are rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that brightens the skin and fades away dark spots. Vitamin C also helps to reduce the production of melanin, which causes uneven skin tone and dark knuckles. So you can get vitamin C in your diet, and there are several foods that contain vitamin C. One of the best sources of vitamin C is the acerola cherry. This is a fruit that is very small, like the size of a small grape, but it contains a lot of vitamin C, and this helps to brighten the skin and fade away dark spots. You can also use a facial mask made of turmeric and cream. Turmeric is a spice that has a lot of antioxidants that help to brighten the skin. It also reduces inflammation of the skin and it fades away dark spots and scars. You can make a face mask using turmeric powder and a little bit of cream and apply it on your face for 15 minutes to help brighten your skin. Another way to brighten your skin is by applying aloe vera gel on your skin. Aloe vera contains a lot of antioxidants that help to brighten the skin. It also moisturizes the skin and makes it soft and supple. Please remember that to get an even skin tone, you need to focus on brightening the skin and not lightening the skin. Lightening the skin only works by removing the melanin that gives your skin its color, and that is not the best way to go about it. So try some of these tips that I have shared with you in this video to help you do a glow up without bleaching. Thank you.